Imagine turning the key or pressing the start button and instantly feeling decades of American muscle come alive. That raw growl, the aggressive stance, and the unmistakable presence can only mean one thing: the 2026 Ford Mustang. This isn't just a car you drive. It's a car you feel from the first second to the last mile. Let's start with the design, because the 2026 Mustang looks fast, even when it's standing still. The long hood, short rear deck, and wide body stay true to Mustang DNA, but everything is sharper and more modern. The front grille is bolder, flanked by slim, angry-looking LED headlights that give the car a focused, predatory look. Sculpted hood lines aren't just for style, they hint at the power underneath. From the side, the strong shoulder line and muscular rear haunches make the Mustang look planted and aggressive. At the back, the iconic tri-bar LED taillights glow with a modern twist. And the quad exhaust setup on higher trims proudly announces that this car means business. Step inside, and the 2026 Mustang surprises you. It's still sporty, but now it's smarter and more refined. The dashboard is dominated by a large digital instrument cluster and a wide central touchscreen that controls infotainment, navigation, and performance settings. Everything is angled slightly toward the driver, making you feel like you're in command. The materials feel more premium than before, with soft touch surfaces, sporty stitching, and supportive seats that hold you firmly during hard cornering, but remain comfortable for daily driving. Despite being a performance car, the Mustang still offers decent space for front passengers, and the trunk is practical enough for weekend trips. Under the hood is where the Mustang truly earns its legend. The 2026 lineup continues to offer multiple engine options, starting with a turbocharged EcoBoost engine that delivers impressive power with better fuel. Efficiency perfect for those who want performance without extreme fuel costs. Then comes the heart of the Mustang heritage. It's the naturally aspirated 5.0-liter V8. The sound alone is enough to send chills down your spine. It delivers brutal acceleration, instant throttle response, and that classic muscle car roar that fans crave. Whether you choose a smooth, automatic, or a traditional manual transmission, the driving experience feels engaging and alive. On the road, the 2026 Mustang is more than just straight-line speed. Thanks to improved suspension tuning, a lower center of gravity, and advanced driving modes, it handles corners with confidence and precision. You can switch between normal, sport, track, and even customizable modes that adjust steering weight, throttle response, exhaust sound, and traction control. In simple terms, it can be calm and comfortable in traffic, or wild and aggressive on open roads all at the press of a button. Technology plays a big role in this new Mustang. Advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking make daily driving safer and less stressful. The infotainment system supports smartphone connectivity, voice commands, and performance data displays that show everything from lap times to G-forces. It's a perfect blend of old-school muscle and modern intelligence. What truly makes the 2026 Ford Mustang special is its personality. It's one of the few cars that can be a daily commuter during the week and a thrilling performance machine on the weekend. It offers heritage, power, sound, and style in a way very few cars can. Whether you're a longtime Mustang fan or someone looking for a car that delivers excitement every single time you drive, the 2026 Mustang doesn't just meet expectations, it ignites passion. This isn't just transportation, it's freedom on four wheels. This is the Ford Mustang, still bold, still loud, and still legendary.